Good morning to everyone. My name is Yojita, lecturer in computer science in JNJ College, Tenali. Today our topic is data structures. Okay. Data structures means data structures are typically used to retrieve, organize and store data on computers for efficient use. Having the right understanding and using the right data structures helps software engineers to write right code. Types of data structures. There are two types of data structures. First one is linear data structures. Second one is non-linear data structures. Okay, linear. First one is linear data structures. Second one is non-linear data structures. Linear data structures means the elements are arranged in a sequential manner. If the elements are results in a sequence or linear list, then it is called linear data structures. Examples of linear data structures are stacks, queues, linked list, etc. Non-linear data structures means if the elements of a data structure results in a way that the traversal of elements are not in a sequence or linear list. Not sequence means elements are results in a hierarchical form. Examples of non-linear data structures are trees, graphs. Why are data structures important? Means data structures are key component of computer science. Using the data structures, the nature of a given problem, using the data structures helps in understanding the nature of a given problem in a deeper level. They are widely utilized in artificial intelligence, operating systems, graphics and other fields. If the programmer is unfamiliar with the data structures, they may be unable to write proper data or proper data handling code. Almost all product-based companies look at how strong you are at data structures. So it will also help you in your day-to-day life. Knowing when to apply proper data structure is an important step to write efficient code by managing data properly. Okay, concepts of linear and non-linear data structures as we discussed earlier. So one example of linear data structure is stack. Definition of stack is a linear data structure. Stack is a linear data structure Second point is stack follows LIFO principle. LIFO means last in, first out. Stack is a linear data structure. Stack follows LIFO principle. The element which is entered at the last is the first element to come out. Third point, in stack we always keep track of the last element with a pointer called top. This is called pointer. Pointer in stack. Okay, graphical representation of stack is array indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, values. So in stack, top element is 60. So we represented this 60 using pointer called top. So this is the highest element presented in the stack. Okay, next one. Next example of linear data structure is Q. Q is also a linear data structure. Q follows FIFO principle. FIFO means first in, first out. The element which is entered in the first is the first element to come out. In Q we use two pointers. First one is front and the second one is rear pointer. Graphical representation of Q is this is called front, this is called rear. Similarly, one more example in non-linear data structure, trees. Example of non-linear data structure is trees. Tree is a non-linear data structure. Definition of tree is collection of nodes. Collection of nodes to form a hierarchical representation, means having the multiple levels. Graphical representation of tree. This is the graphical representation of tree. The topmost node in a tree is called root node. Root node means the node which is not having any parent node. This is also called level 1, level 2, level 3. This is 3 level tree. Having multiple levels is a hierarchical representation. This is called subtree. These nodes are called child nodes and parent nodes. Parent node means the node which is having at most one child. Child node means the node which is having a parent. The distance between one node and another node is called path. For example, we give any direction, it is called directed tree, or if we are not giving any direction, this is undirected tree. Let us draw one more example of tree. This is also a tree, but this is a binary tree. Node which is having at most two child. At most means maximum. So this is the complete brief introduction of linear and non-linear data structures. Thank you.